Hi, this is Don McAllister and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. For this video, I'm going to give you a quick update on one of my favorite utilities, and that's CleanShot X. I originally covered this back in 2020 in show 953, and I would recommend that you check out that show if you haven't seen CleanShot before. I'll only really be covering the improvements and changes to CleanShot X in this video. Now at version 4.0.1, there have been 33 updates since we first covered CleanShot X back in 2020, so there's a lot to cover. I've come across to CleanShot.com because CleanShot X is available in two different ways. You can either buy the application outright from this link here. As you can see, it's a $29 one-time payment. Or if you want the additional Cloud Pro option, which is a subscription-based cloud service that you can store and upload your screenshots to, that's $8 per month per user. Or if you have a Setapp subscription already, you can get CleanShot X as part of your Setapp subscription. And there is a special Setapp Cloud Pro account that you can use as well, which boosts your storage from the free version, which is 1 gigabyte up to 10 gigabytes and allows some additional features such as branding. But there's a lot to cover, so let me just pop this down and we'll get started with CleanShot X. Now, if you're not familiar with CleanShot X, and I think I'll just refer to it as CleanShot from this point on, it's a screen capture tool that allows you both to capture static displays on your screen, but also screen recordings as well, and has lots of features to allow you to annotate and share those screen captures. Now, I already have it installed and it's running in the background. There is my menu bar icon, so I can capture an area, capture full screen, capture window, do a scrolling capture for large or long websites. There's a self-timer option, a new option to capture text, but that's really been superseded by macOS Monterey, and the option to record a screen as well, and some of the features down here. But let me go ahead and do our first screenshot, and I'll show you one new change. That is the ability now to freeze the screen before you take a snapshot. In fact, I'll do this through preferences actually, because there's a good way to demonstrate it to you. We go to preferences and go to screenshots. You'll see down here, there's a little advert which is running continuously about a different application called Pixel Snap, which I think is by the same developers, but you'll see that's constantly animated. But if I wanted to freeze the screen while I take a screenshot, I can just click on here. I'll just go to here and say capture area. Okay, I get these crosshairs. You'll see the animation has stopped now. So I could actually just grab that area there. And there is my new screenshot. Now you'll notice there are these things called quick tips that appear now and again, but we'll go through these in a bit more detail. Now the screenshot itself is contained in this quick access overlay that contains some additional controls. Before we look at that though, one other thing to show you. If I go to always enabled for crosshair mode and show magnifier, if I do the same, let me just delete this one. If I do the same, capture area, I have this brand new magnifying glass. So if I want to really make sure that I capture just the right element, I can zoom in using the magnifier. So if I just wanted the corner of this icon to be captured, release, and that will capture it for me. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.